Good morning, students. Today we will move ahead with the chapter. As you know, we are dealing with crop production and management, and under that chapter, we are studying the agricultural practices. Last agricultural practice is storage. Storage of the grains is very important. Large scale storage of grain is done in granaries or silos. Silos are the metallic bins for the storage of grains. Why they are stored in granaries or silos? To protect them from pests, rodents, microbes or insects. Once the crop is harvested, the grains have to be free from moisture and safe from any kind of insects or pest attack. Presence of moisture promotes microbial growth in the grains. So, grains are first dried in the sun and then packed in gunny bags or metallic bins to be stored in godowns. Large-scale storage of grain is done in granaries or silos to protect them from pests. Pesticides are also sprayed beforehand to avoid the pest attack. Next important topic is what are the ways of improving the crop production? By increasing the land under cultivation. If we want our yield to be increased, we have to increase the land under cultivation. Then some special techniques can be opted by the farmers, like crop rotation. This process of crop rotation is very important. It involves growing 2 or more crops alternatively on the same land in the same season. For example, after growing wheat for a season, farmers prefer to grow a crop of legume family such as peas, grams and groundnut. These leguminous plants have nitrogen fixing bacteria called rhizobium. These bacteria associate with the root forming nodules and convert atmospheric nitrogen into compounds that can be used up by the plants. The plants in turn provide shelter to bacteria. So it is good example of symbiosis also. In another technique called fallow field, the farmers generally they just leave the field uncultivated for 1 year or 1 season. By the time the field regains its lost nutrients. So first technique is crop rotation, where the farmers they grow alternatively one by one. In one season they grow cereals and in next they grow the leguminous plants. And in field fallow they just leave the field uncultivated, and then by the time the field regains its lost nutrients. Another method is hybridization. In hybridization, for example, what they do, that is they select variety A and variety B and they combine them to get the variety C. In variety C, we get the desired qualities of variety A and variety B both. It is a technique in which new varieties with desired characteristics of high yield and production and resistance to disease are developed. In today's lecture, you have to note down the last slide, that is write the ways of improving food production, and I will also forward question answers to you. Thank you.